She will come inside. The most tempting part about it is that when sleeping the more, tell her on my head facing so she'll put her feet to the cross like this, her feet will be to my head. Then now I will sleep in the same room.
What happened? Something must have happened.
Yeah, it's a long story. The thing started because they hustle thing. We were doing the hustle, we had the shop and everything there. When we built the first house in Maryland, the business started going down because money was actually in the country 2006 when Ellen took over. So the business was booming. We did all the transaction thing. But then after when things started, after they did something they call or the disarmament, then they did rehabilitation. You know, it was stage. The donors were sending money. Then when they come to this, they started, you know, countries started coming to normal now. All people started growing by the economy started getting high. So what I did was I bought a Land Cruiser Jeep. I bought it from one NGO called World Vision in Moreover here. So I decided to go on hustle. I left her in the shop. I bring passenger to Moreover. Then I take passenger and go back. So I buy cruise for the shop, I put on the truck and get passenger and go back. And the thing I was doing, my absence, you know, job in another thing is making extra relationship. And, you know, I didn't notice it because when I want to come, I will not even stay 2-3 weeks, then I'll go back again. You know, later, one food I got bought the Land Cruiser from me for 4,500. You know, because I was getting a little bit old, you gave me a hard time. So I jumped to the NGO thing 2010.
In Maryland?
Yeah, in Maryland. When Afghan war started between now Ouattara and Gbagbo, they were bringing refugees, you know, from Aroko coming through Taboo, you know, to come to our side, and also bringing refugees from here, carrying them down the place there. So they started going around and started looking for what we call voluntary job. They say we put on this thing they call daily hire, 10 hours per day to go get refugee from Poland and other things. But say now I ain't doing anything to our can be here, you know, be saying in one market. Oh, do let me go also. Why you take care of this sir? I joined UNC Arab, started hustle. So with 10 hours per day, started hustling this that. Every 2 weeks they pay us. Later they extend our contract, they employ us. So we started coming and we should come for expert and all the way Mora. So now we spend 2 weeks. So now I go Abidjan. I spend 1 week. You know, with car. You know the So after all the things they close and I can't sit down to the horse now. My own woman, she don't want to see me again. Because she's not free to do the thing that she be in the house. Well, until I said, but what are you going now? What that confusion? She used to me being outside.
Right.
And she being free. Then just sending money home. And you know when men broke, that time you remember your family.
Right.
Myself too, I jealous too. Confusion broke up. Who fighting? That's what I'm telling you. So I said, I look at it for long, but what you looking? Maybe I think I'll stay long here. You know, then things started happening to me. Something that way. When my uncle called Myers, he passed away. I buried Myers. Then the next year again, I got to come more and thing. So when I came more, the person said, yeah, no can be on our side. You want to start to play 5 or to help you, you alone there. So just manage to stay here. So I said, but if I will stay, I can't leave my family down there. Then I'll be here because I will be sending money way down there. Nobody to cook for me and thing. I'll be straining. So that means they will just bring my people on the side one time. Thinking that maybe see the environment will stay down there, she get 1 or 2 connections. When we leave that area, it will go down. Easy because you can see your garden again.
Right.
She and myself alone will be settle our late different. I bring a woman now, hey. Mom says she won't go sell cookie to EAW Junction. So on a back junction around where we live in. I said, we going to sell cookie now. I got small money here for you to go tell them. What you got to do with cookie? I pay the shop, everything. You be in the shop, let me go because to the ministry, there's something you can tip the money and they say you on trip. And when you go on trip, you're entitled to DSA. Once you leave Monserrat, NCA, send them $50 per day. Therefore, they call it or daily sustaining allowance, your motel bill and your food. So I said, well, I can be going on trip, then you'll be to the shop and be hustling. You must say, why the town being in the shop and all to her. So she not going there. I said, but everything I do, I'm going to tell you, I won't surprise you. She said, and I think they can surprise people with. Because they move. The same month, November 29, I opened the shop. I already buy the market days. I said, but then I put it in that place there, you know more than steal. So I go in there when you decide, follow me. I move in the shop up to now. She stayed there. Yes, they send your full money, send whatsoever, this, that. The more you use it. Then she telling me that one day, people can be talking about the place, so she tried to pass, and she was passing, she saw one woman behind the counter. I said, but why you will be passing by your own place, you don't know the place? If you come to me directly, and you say you were passing, you saw somebody behind the counter. So you get woman there.
She's supposed to go and you can just...
Yeah, go. You could normally stop you from coming. Hey, you know, just come to the plate fight. Hey, you know, speak. You sit down, you see what this, that.
Evidence.
Yeah. But you say you were passing, I even see you. And you say you saw somebody behind there, so...
Did you say that?
No, come on.
I do. I don't know. So...
You're working it out or it's not going?
I'm willing to, because 3 children, it's not easy. 3 children is not easy. Who will take care of the children? If I even get a different woman now, I'm ready to born another child again. I already get 6. The woman too, she can't be mine in a minute. They are not born child. Then if I born child again, she will surprise a minute again. And then the small thing I guess she will say, that she on child. It's just confusing. I don't even know. It's confusing you. It's confusing.
You need to work it out. Y'all been together for
over 10 years. 2002. And I carry her.
Right.
2002. So when you calculate now, it's like 20 years,
Yeah, 20
18 years or something like that. Our first son should be around 15. And we need that kind of relationship to go to a new relationship. All the women in that problem.
So have you seen her with a relationship in here in Mora?
I don't want to go after her. You know, Mora is big, and I don't want to be frustrated. So I don't mind going after her. Yeah, I don't go after her because even if I go after her, I will just break my heart. It will end up in confusion. You know, when you catch Rona, they will want to defend themselves. They will end up in confusion. So what will you do? I don't go there.
You can still be sought out.
Yeah, I leave room for that. I intend to invite 1 or 2 family members, you know, or from outside, and then we just sit down and discuss. And they place there about 20 years. Why can be selling?
Their own place?
Yeah, no, small shop. Easy. And players say, "She can sit down here, then I go hustle."
Yeah, it makes sense. Are you working together?
Yeah, I think we'll be thinking how to send them into school and do other things. The lady one will get financial, and what she will get, we can now put it together.
Right. You can't make everything happen for that one. Right.
Yeah. But I leave room for settlement. Still willing to settle.
That's good.
Because
I think she was there for a very long time. You understand her and
you don't want children. Don't mind your children.
3
Nobody
kids.
can mind your children for you.
So one of this,
No.
the one with you all.
They got older brother, what you get sling off for his there. Then the leg baby that I named the Oma after. Only small baby there too.
A girl.
Yeah, girl. Let me show you a picture. Hold on. Confused leg girl there too.
How old is the girl?
The girl? 2 years.
You're confused.
She was making confusion with me. The money said she came to the house. I can't make sure you. Oh yeah. Ah. Now there. Ah. The man looking so the other than looking. The man prep. You know the man.
Yeah. I think she
This
got
is
a
the
girl. She
freestyle.
got a picture on her page.
Yeah, the
but I don't
filter the
know
leg
that
behind her. Now her daughter there. I sent it to the old man page. Sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will tell all the women. What kind of woman I will bring all the trouble. The brother said, "What could you help me say? I guess one old woman from Asia, they just can marry me, even when she's 60 years old. A big go hustle. Let me just go hustle and send my children to school and be free now. What you say? You're just looking at kind of way.
I didn't know yet. Let me go see if I got